Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this tutorial I would like to show you the way how to manage your data usage on your iPhone. So the things that you need to do now is just open your settings, and in this settings button you just need to scrolling down until you found the mobile data. And whenever you already found this mobile data, you just need to go click it to open it, and after that you just need to go click this mobile data options. And after that you can see that there will be three boxes over here. This is for the data roaming, voice and data, low data mode, and limit IP address tracking. To manage our data usage, you just need to turn on this low data mode. You just need to click this button to turn it on, and whenever it's on, now you can reduce the mobile data usage on your phone, so it can automatically updates and background tasks such as photo syncing are paused. So every action that need or consume a big amount of your data will be paused since you already used the low data modes. It helps you to manage your data. So that's the way how to manage the data usage on an iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye bye.